Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you are all safe in your home. Fine. So, in previous EVS class, we already started your new lesson, that is our food. So, as you know, to all the living beings, to all the living things like human beings, animals, water animals, birds, even the insects, and also even for the plants, for every living beings we need three main things, three main components. Those are, first one is air, oxygen. Without that we cannot live. Second one is water. Without water also we cannot survive on this land. And third one is food. Without food also we can't survive or we can't live on this earth. Okay, so in that water, in that air and in that food, we started studying about the food. Why we need food? From where we will get the food? In which forms we will get the food? And why food is necessary to our body? Why we cannot live without the food? These all things we are coming to know from the previous classes only. Okay, so as you know, food is very essential for the living things. Non-living things don't need any kind of a food because they are not existent. They don't breathe, they don't grow, they don't eat. Actually, they are not at all having life in them. That's why non-living things don't need any kind of a food. But living things need, no, like us, like me. I am a living thing, I am a living human being. So I need a food. Without food, can I survive? Can I live on this earth? No. You all are living things. Without food, can you all live on this earth? No. So no living things can survive without the food. Why? Means food will help us to grow. Grow is nothing but changing in the size over a period of time. So food helps us to grow. Not only to grow, food helps us to give energy, and energy is very essential for our daily activities. Okay, from the food only we will get energy, and if we get energy, then we can do any kind of activities every day. Without, if we don't get energy, if we don't get food, we will not get energy. If we don't get energy, we can't do any kind of work, and day by day we will become weak, and one day without food we will die. So not only growth, not only energy, even with the food we will get the blood, which is very important to our body, right? So without blood also, if there is a very less amount of blood is there in our body, means then also we will die. So that's why food gives us energy, food helps us to grow over time, and food helps us to give the blood to our body or hemoglobin. So that's why food is very, very important for all the living things, all the living beings. Okay, so in that we came to know from which things we will get the food. Animals, human beings, okay, and yes, especially animals and human beings, we will get the food from the plants. Okay, and plants, they will prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. So from which plant, which food we will get, we came to know. Let me recall those all things. Food from the plants. Okay, first coming to the vegetables. Every day we will eat vegetables, right? Leafy vegetables also we will eat, vegetables also we will eat. So here we eat vegetables like potatoes, cabbage, cauliflower, carrot, beans, radish, etc. Lady's finger, okay, rich gourd, bottle gourd. Okay, so these all vegetables we will eat day by day. Your mom used to cook and you will eat. Fine. So these vegetables we flower, like this. From each part of the plant we will get one vegetable. See how amazing this is. From each part of the plant, in the previous class I have drawn the diagram and I have shown you in which part, from which part, which vegetable we will get. Okay, let me recall that one once again here. So these vegetables are different parts of the plant. Means from each part of the plant, which parts are there in the plants? Parts of the plants are like a stem, root, and then leaf, and then flower. Yes, so these are some parts of the plant. And see here, each vegetable we will get, not each, one vegetable we will get from the different parts of the plant. So here, turnips and carrots are the roots of the plant. Okay, plant will be there, no? In that root, carrots and turnips we will get. From that root, so these carrots and turnips are the roots of a plant. They will grow in the root part. So here, turnips and carrots are the roots of a plant. And cauliflower is a flower. Cauliflower you will eat, no? That is the flower part of the plant. From the roots, carrot, turnip we will get. From the flower, cauliflower we will get. And next, spinach and cabbage are the leaf. Okay, so from the leaves, we will get the spinach, palak sappu, spinach and cabbage. We will get from the leaf part. Okay, plant is having leaf part, no? So from the leaves we will get spinach, cabbage, and from the roots are the parts of the plant, no? From the roots, carrots and turnip we will get, and plant is having flower part, no? From the flower, cauliflower we will get. And then tomato is a fruit. And the potato is a stem. So here, from the stem of a plant we will get the potato. And from the fruit of a plant we will get the tomato. As tomato is a fruit. Okay, so plant is having different parts like flower, leaves, and then stem, and then fruit, and then roots. So first comes from the roots we will get carrot and turnip. From the flower we will get the cauliflower. And from the fruit we will get the tomato. And from the stem we will get the potato. And then from the leaves we will get the cabbage and spinach. That's why they are all called as green leafy vegetables. Okay, so we will get vegetables from the plants, different parts of the plants. And next also we came to know that fruits, the importance of the fruits. The fruits of the plants are an important part of the food that we eat because they make us strong and help us to fight against the diseases. So here fruits are very essential to our body. Every day we have to eat one or the other fruit. Every day we have to include one or the other fruit in our meal or in our food. Because fruits make us strong, make our body strong. And also fruits will help us or fruits will help our body to fight against the diseases. Okay, so which fruits you have to eat? Like apple, okay, apple, orange, mango, guava, banana, watermelon, etc. These are the some common fruits which we have to eat. Okay, so all fruits contain seeds inside them. If you eat, when you eat mango, no, in between the mango you will get one big hard thing, no, that is what the seed. That is a seed. From that seed only that mango will grow. Okay, so mango is having very big seed inside it. All like this, all fruits will grow from the seeds. They are having seeds inside them. So these apples, mango, banana, watermelon. Watermelon is having If you want water, water is very essential for our body, no? So that's why if we want water to our body, then we have to eat watermelon. With the watermelon only we will get water to our body. So watermelon, banana, and then apple, and then oranges, guava, kiwi, and then papaya, pineapple, jackfruit. These are all the fruits which we have to eat. If we eat all these fruits, then our body will be strong and our body will get energy, resistance power to fight against the diseases. Okay, so now we came to know from where we will get the from where and how we will get the vegetables and how we will get the fruits. Fruits also we will get from the trees. Yes, and importance of vegetables and importance of fruits we came to know. And now coming to the third point, that is from the plants, vegetables we will get from the plants and trees, fruits we will get, and from the plants here food grains also we will get. Okay, here food grains, these includes cereals and pulses. Okay, food grains. Here from the plants we will get food grains like cereals and pulses. So in cereals are like rice. Cereals are like rice, wheat, barley, maize. Okay, so these are all cereals. Rice, every day you will eat rice, no? Rice, wheat chapati, godhi, wheat means godhi. That wheat we will send it to the machine to make it a powder. So wheat flour, to make a flour of that, godhi hittu. So yes, so wheat chapatis you have to eat, godhi chapati, usual we will call. So these wheat chapati or wheat, rice, maize, barley, jowar, these are all cereals. And here these are grinded to make the flour, which is then made into food item. First these cereals are grinded in the machine to make the flour, and then only with the help of that flour, with the help of that hittu, flour means hittu, with that help of that flour only we can make different kinds of food items. Okay, so wheat as it is we cannot eat. First we have to grind it to make it a flour, then only we can make the chapati. Yes, so like this. Here pulses are the dals we eat. Dals, bede saru we will eat. No, that bede saru, bede athava saru, that is made of the dals. Okay, they are the dried seeds of the plant. They are very important for our growth. They are the dried part of our plant. So pulses are like tur dal, moong dal, chana dal, okay, roasted chana dal, like this. These are all dal. Okay, so they are all dals are very important for our body, for our growth. Okay, so here cereals and pulses also we will get from the plants, and these cereals and pulses will help us, will help our body to grow, and also they will give energy to our body. Okay, so first point, so we will get vegetables from the plants, we will get fruits from the plants and trees, we will get food grains from the plants, and next plants gives us nuts like walnut, coconut. Yes, plants also gives us fruits, nuts. Okay, plants, we will get the nuts from the plants. Nuts like walnut and coconut. Coconut oil we will use, no, in Kerala side. See, coconut oil they will use to prepare the food, to cook the food in Kerala side, right? Okay, to put on our hair, for the growth of our hair. So also to eat, to make chutneys in dosa, vada, okay, or other thing. To make chutneys also we will use the coconut, and to make some dishes, okay, or some curries, okay, like meat curry, to make them also we will use the coconut. And water also, every day some people used to eat every day coconut water. That is very best for our health. That will cleanse our body from the inside. Means that will clean our body from the inside, and that will make us cool from the inside. It will balance the temperature of our body. That coconut milk. Yes, coconut milk or coconut water. That's why if you get the chance, you have to drink the coconut water. That is very good for our health. And walnut. So here from the plants, not only vegetables, not only fruits, not only grains, we will get nuts also. Nuts like walnut we will get, and coconut we will get. Okay. So here next comes, you can see walnut here. You can see walnut. This is the walnut. So here this also we will get, that will be very hard part, and that is also used by us. If we eat walnut or no, then our health is good only, and we will get energy also by that walnut. That is good for our health. And these walnut and coconut we will get from the plants. Next, coming to the next one, the seeds of the cocoa and coffee plant gives us cocoa and coffee, which are used as beverages or drinks. The dried leaves of the tree, the dried leaves of a tea bushes are used to make the tea. So next comes here the seeds of cocoa and coffee plant. Okay, cocoa and coffee plant. If you get chance, try to visit the coffee plant, tea plant. Okay, so here where they will grow tea bushes, coffee bushes. Okay, so here coffee plants. See here the seeds of the cocoa and coffee plants gives us cocoa and coffee. So here next one we will get the from the seeds of cocoa and coffee plant. We will get what? We will get cocoa and coffee. Okay, from the seeds of cocoa and coffee plant, we will get the cocoa and coffee. And coffee we will use to make the coffee, and cocoa we will use to make chocolates also. Okay, this cocoa we will use to make some chocolates. You will know that chocolates also made from this cocoa, and coffee you already know. And here tea bushes which are grown in the plant section, those tea bushes are also part of our plant. So those tea bushes, no, we will use tea bushes to make the tea. Tea bushes. We will use tea bushes to make the tea. And these cocoa, this coffee and this tea bushes, we all get from the plants. Okay, we will get vegetables from the plant, we will get fruits from the plants, we will get food grains from the plants, grains from the plants, we will get nuts from the plants, we will get seeds like seeds of cocoa and coffee, we will get cocoa and coffee from the plant, from the seeds of cocoa and coffee, and from the tea bushes we will get the tea. Okay, next coming to the next one, the seeds of the plants, like the seeds means bija. Okay, the seeds of plants like sunflower, groundnut, coconut and mustard are crushed to make the cooking oil. So how we are getting the cooking oil means we have to crush, we have to grind them in big machines. We have to put all these seeds of a plants like sunflower, you know, Suryakanti bija, we will tell no, sunflower, groundnut, shenga bija, okay, coconut, kobbari, and then mustard, sasive, okay, sasive you will tell no, that sasive. So here mustard, coconut, and then groundnut, and then sunflower. These are all sent into, not in a mixed way, separately they will one by one they will used to send in the big machines. Those machines will crush all those seeds and they will make it a powder way, and after that with that powder only we will get the, they will make the oil in the factories. Like sunflower oil we will get from the sunflower seeds. Groundnut oil we will get the groundnut oil from the groundnut seed, and then mustard oil we will get mustard oil from the mustard seeds, and like that coconut oil we will get from the coconut seeds. Like these seeds of a plants like mustard or sunflower, and then groundnut, coconut, mustard. These are all crushed to make the oil. We will get oil from all these seeds. From these all seeds, what we will get? We will get oil. Okay, sunflower oil, groundnut oil, shenga enne, suryakanti bija enne. Okay, so here coconut oil, kobbari enne, mustard oil, sasive enne. Okay, so here the seeds of the plant, these sunflower, groundnut, coconut, and then mustard, these are all we will get from the plants. Now coming to the last one, spices like clove, cardamom, turmeric, cinnamon are used to taste and flavor to our food. Okay, here spices like cloves, okay, spices like cloves, so spices like a clove, and then cardamom, and then turmeric is the arishna, okay, arishna kombu we will use to tell no, that is turmeric, cinnamon, and then these are all these spices we will use to give flavor, okay, give flavor to our food, okay, flavor means nice fragrance. In special dishes we use these one. Here cloves means lavanga, okay, and cardamom, cinnamon, and here what you will call ilaichi we will tell in the Hindi, okay. So in Kannada I don't have right guess what we will call in the Kannada. So here cardamom, lavanga, chakkale, yes. So here and kari bija we will tell, menasu bija, kari menasu we will tell no. So that is, and these are all things we will use to give flavor to our food, and these all spices we will get from the plants. Cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, and then turmeric, arishna kombu. So these are all we will get from the plants. Okay, these all things we will get from the plants. Okay, so here we came to know which things we will get from the plant. We will get vegetables from the plants, from the different parts of the plants. We will get fruits from the plants and trees, and then we will get grains from the plants. We will get oil from the sunflower, mustard, coconut and groundnut seeds. Those are all come from the plants. And also we will get spices, all kind of spices from the plants. So we came to know which things we will get from the plants. Now coming to the food we get from the plants, food which we get from the plants we came to know, and food which we will get from the animals. Animals also we will eat, no. So which food we will get from the animals, let's see here. So first one is food from the animals. Here we get milk from the animals like cows, buffaloes and goats. So first is we will get milk from the animal. Okay, so milk we will get. So milk we will get from the animals like cows, goats, buffaloes. We will use these milk. We will use milk to drink, to make tea, to make coffee, to make sweets. Okay, to make chocolates, to make cakes. Okay, so here this milk we will get from the cows, buffaloes and then goats. Many things are made from the milk. So with the help of the milk, so many things we can prepare, like cheese, curd, butter, ice cream. Yes, cheese. With this milk we can prepare cheese, curd. Curd means this is mosaru. Okay, curd, butter, ice cream. These are all things we can make with the help of milk, and also sweets also we can prepare. Okay, milk has many things needed for the growth of the body. It also helps to keep us healthy. So here not only this, to make chocolate, to make sweets. So to make all these things, milk is very important. Okay, not only for this, not only to prepare these things, milk is very important for our body. It will keep us healthy. Every day you should drink milk. 1 cup of a milk you should drink. Okay, try to drink that one in the morning time. Okay, or in the night time. So if you drink it at the night time, you will get a good sleep. And how this milk will help means it will keep us very healthy, and also in the other side it will give us nutrients. Okay, it will give us nutrients like proteins, and like also it will give us vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, like all vitamins we will get from the milk also. Proteins also we will get from the milk, and then carbohydrates also we will get from the milk. Like this, milk is very essential for our body. It will keep our body healthy. Okay, every day everyone should drink 1 cup of a milk, 1 glass of a milk, not 1 cup, 1 glass of a milk. So here, first one, the animal, from the animal which food we will get? That is first one, milk. And this milk we will use to prepare, this milk we will get from the animals like cows, goats and buffaloes. And this milk we will use to prepare cheese, curd, butter, ice cream, chocolates and sweets. Next, so here, from the animal, next what we will get? See here, we eat the flesh or meat of animals. Okay, we eat the flesh, mamsa, flesh or meat from the animals. Okay, here flesh or meat we will get from the animals. That one we will eat, no, flesh or meat. Meat of the animals we will eat, and these flesh or meat we will get from the animals like goat, hen, fish. Goat, hen or fish. So these meat we will eat, no, hen, goat, hen, chicken we will eat. Okay, goat, mutton we will eat, fish we will eat, flesh of these flesh, we will get the flesh or meat from these animals, from the goat and from the hen and from the fish. Okay, so here the meat of the goat is called as mutton. The meat of the goat is called as mutton. Mutton means that is the meat of the goat. That is a goat. Okay, that is the flesh of a goat. So here mutton means goat meat. Okay, so here these flesh or meat we will get from the animals like goat, hen, fish, which we will eat. Okay, that also flesh or meat is also very important for our body to provide nutrients which are very essential for our body. Next, hens and ducks gives us eggs. See here, we will get milk from the animals, we will get meat from the animals, and we will get eggs from the animal. Third one is what we will get from the animal? Eggs. Eggs also we will get from the animal. So here egg we will eat, no. So every day we have to eat one boiled egg, because eggs also will give us vitamins. Okay, and they will make us strong. So eggs also we have to eat every day one boiled egg. Boiled egg is very good for our health. So these eggs also we will get from the animals like hens, ducks. Okay, so eggs we will get from the hens and then ducks. See, these eggs we have to eat. These eggs will give us vitamins, all nutrients, and also they will help us to grow. That's why. So we have to eat eggs every day. Okay. So first we will get milk from the animals. Meat also we will get from the animals. Eggs also we will get from the animals, and honey. We will get honey from the honey bee. Honey also we will get from the animal, that is, or bird or insect. That is an insect from the honey bee. Honey bee is an insect, no? So from the honey bees we will get the honey. Honey is also very good for our skin. Okay, so to reduce our weight, honey is very important. So here from the plants what we will get? We came to know from the plants vegetables, fruits, grains, nuts, spices, and then oil. All things we will get from the plants. And from the animals we will get milk, meat, eggs, honey. Okay, from milk we will get from the cows, goats, buffaloes. Meat we will get from the goat, hen, fish. Eggs we will get from the hens, ducks. Honey we will get from the honeybees. So here foods we will get from the plants and foods we will get from the animals. We came to know here. Okay. Here, so the next part about the vegetarians